Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5082200 or KB5084068 on your Windows 10 computer. Now the first step is to start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find app readiness in the list. Make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, again set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. Now you can check, update your Windows 10, still not working. Now if you see retry option over here, you can hit retry and then try to install the update once again. Still not working, then you can pause and restart the update. Now for this, you can go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause option. You can hit pause over here. And once the update is paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run update troubleshooter. Now for this, Windows 10 users, go to home and open Windows settings, go to system, and then once you go to system, find troubleshoot option. Okay, I'm sorry, go to home and then click on update and security and then click on troubleshoot and then click on additional troubleshooters. Here you can see Windows Update. Click on it, click on run the troubleshooter and let the troubleshoot complete. Once the troubleshoot is complete, you can restart your PC and then check. Next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to run. Now copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Copy this command and then paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. And over here, write down the name of the update. It may be KB50, this one, KB5082200, or maybe if you're unable to install .NET Framework update, you can copy the name of that update. And then you can paste it. You can write down the name of the update, click on search. And then over here, check your Windows version first. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. And here, in my case, it's version 22H2. And check your system type, open Windows settings, go to system, and then scroll down and go to about option. In my case, the system type is 64-bit operating system. And then find the right update from here. So for me, it's Windows 10 version 22H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. Now click on download. And over here, click on KB5082200 and let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually. Once done, restart your PC, and after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. on this website, here you can see update now with Windows Update Assistant. Sorry, first of all, try Windows Update Assistant, and if there you can run this exe file. If there is any click on yes to allow. If there is any update, you will see update option or maybe install option. If that does not work, on the same website, scroll down. Here you can see it's media creation tool. So you can click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file, and then you have to click on accept over here. Now by default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Select upgrade this PC now, and then click on next. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once the download is complete, you can click on accept over here, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer, and then you can update your Windows 10. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 10 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.